Good morning. So today we're going to be doing another little crochet project. I thought originally I was going to do like a little bag or something, make like a grid pattern and play around with that. But then I thought, no, when this video comes out, it's going to be the first official weekend of October, which means Halloween. I already think it's Halloween time at the start of August, but that's just me. Yeah. So, what am I making this week? I am going to be making a little hangable ornament, I guess is what you would call it. It's gonna be based off of Enoch from Over the Garden Wall, which a Halloween staple. If you haven't watched it, why not? You should. It's only like 2 hours in all on Hulu. It's fantastic. And so sweet. And I love it, and I watch it every year at the first weekend of October. It's my ritual. So, I'm going to be making a little pumpkin and finding green and brown yarns that I have, and maybe I'll butterfly stitch them so they hang nice and flow and look pretty, because I think I want to stick it right in one of my windows, because I have like a little suction cup hook that I'll put up my little Hanukkah. Like it's a fabric one and you stick the candles in. It's cute. I like it. But I want to add more things into our windows for other holidays, and what better holiday than Halloween, right? So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that, and yeah, let's do this. I've got my I've got my colors. I have a lot of greens, a lot of browns. I have a little bit of black and a little bit of white for his face. The black and white are for his face mostly. And then I've got the orange for the pumpkin. Now, I do have more of this color. I have a whole pound more of this color, so I'm not worried about running out of this. What I'm gonna do is a rib stitch, which is I've done a bunch of rib stitching before. This is a variation of a rib stitch. I prefer this one for my cuffs, but I'm going to be doing a different version of a rib stitch for this pumpkin. So let's get to it. Okay, let me get my scissors over here. So I've got my little pumpkin base done. So I'm just gonna snip off a long tail of that. Now we have to stitch these together. So I have a curved needle, which is really great for things like this. I may have grabbed a little too much fluff, but that's okay. Oh, you know what would have been really cute? If I had like a little cat I could have stuck in this. Oh my god, that would have been adorable. But alas, I don't, so that's okay. Next time I decide to make a little Enoch pumpkin. So I made a decision. Oh, I found it. I think I'm gonna go with brown for his pupils and like all the outlines for like his mouth and stuff. I just think it'll be a little softer and nicer than the black. I feel more fall-y and less Halloweeny, even though I love Halloween. I just want something that looks nice. Alright, so now I'm just hot gluing some stuff because I don't feel like stitching any of this. Okay, so his face is a little spooky, but I think he's cute, so we're just going with it. Okay, so we've got our little face glued on, or sewed on, however you want to do it. I chose glue because I'm feeling a little bit lazy. I like his spooky little face. Now I'm just working on cutting yarn for his body. I'm going about my wingspan and just keeping it as even as I can. I don't know how many strands I'll do because it is going to be folded over like so. So I'm just going to go until I feel like I've got like a good handful. Okay, bye. See you in just a minute. Look, he's done. He's so silly looking, like a scary little face. I'm gonna stick him in a window, and he's gonna live there for who knows how long. Like, I tied him off so he's got like little arms that I can drape over and things if I want. He's so fun. Yeah, just a quick little easy project for me to do this week. I'll just get distracted by his wiggly body. Yeah, another just fun little project. I'm unsure what I'll do for my next video. Something Halloween related. Maybe I'll start working on my costume. I'm gonna be a cat. Am I gonna be a vintage cat or a Catwoman Michelle Pfeiffer cat? We'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna go stick him in a window. I'm gonna go play some Stardew or some Sims. And if you enjoy watching me craft, consider subscribing. Leave a like or a comment, and I'll be back next week.